All right, and if you have a problem with your respiratory system, if you're coughing a lot all the time or sneezing a lot, let me tell you about this Gordo Lobo Mullein Flowers. This is about $1, and it helps you have about 4 cups of tea of this Gordo Lobo. I'm telling you, this is what you need to strengthen your respiratory system. You can either do this infusion method, with this cute little teapot, or you can just use a regular, the kettle here to make your tea, as I do. Like right now, you can see that I have cinnamon. I love cinnamon water. Or you can do the traditional boiling mullein flowers in a pot, and then you strain it, right? Use a strainer. Okay. Oh, look at that. That looks like a heart. So do take care of your health. See, even the cinnamon is telling you that. Love yourself. So we're going to take our mullein flowers here, and we're going to add them. Té de Gordo Lobo, mullein flowers tea to strengthen your immune system. And I want to give credit to my uncle Roberto, my dear uncle Roberto Serrato. He is the one that's my mom's oldest brother. When in my 20s, my early 20s, I used to work a lot and go to college, and I remember sneezing a lot. I used to work at the restaurant that was right across from my community college, and it was my uncle Roberto who told me, Gordo Lobo, sobrina, Gordo Lobo. That was wonderful for your lungs. So, please, let me know if you have heard of Gordo Lobo, and if you're going to try this for you. All right, have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, here's my hot water. I'm going to pour it here. Oops. I don't think I can do both of these things together. Let's see. Oh, yes, I can. Oh, yes, I can. I knew I could.